Have you ever inserted an image into Google Docs only to find that it is completely stuck and won't move where you want it to? In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the cannot move image problem in just a few seconds. Welcome to ClearTask. Let's get right into it. When you upload an image to Google Docs, by default, it is formatted to be in line with your text. This means Google Docs treats your image exactly like a giant letter of text, which completely restricts its movement. To fix this and move your image freely, you don't need to delete it. Simply click on the image once to select it. When you do this, a small menu will automatically appear directly below the picture. Here, you will see a few different alignment icons. To get full, unrestricted control over your image, click on the icon labeled in front of text. If you want your paragraphs to wrap around the image instead, you can also select the wrap text option. However, if you just want to drag and drop the image anywhere on the page without messing up your document's layout, in front of text is the best option. Once you click it, you can instantly drag the image freely anywhere around your document. And that is it. A quick, easy, and permanent fix. If this video helped you solve the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple professional tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.